In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google on your Fire TV or Fire TV stick. So from the home menu, navigate over to Settings. Then once you're in Settings, scroll down and we're going to select Applications. Now from here, we're going to select Silk Browser at the top. And then what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of Silk Settings and we're going to go to Advanced Settings. Now in this section is where you're going to be able to select the search engine that the Silk browser will open up with automatically, and in this case, we're going to select Google. So once you've changed it, you can come back to the home menu and go to Apps, and scroll down and select My Apps. Now the Amazon Silk web browser should be in this section, so have a look through until you find Internet and open it up. Now when you do this, it should bring you to Google, and if you have a look in the top left corner, you can enter in any URL here you'd like. Now, alternatively, if you go back, you will also be able to customize some other settings up here, such as the menu settings, enter private browsing, as well as bookmarks. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.